In today's video, we will see how to fix the MSI monitor not turning on. No power, black screen and power issue. So fix 1. Check the monitor power button. Press the monitor power button firmly and make sure the monitor is actually switched on. Check whether the power indicator LED lights up. If the LED remains completely off, continue with the power check button. Fix 2. Check the power cable and adapter. So disconnect the monitor power cable and reconnect it firmly to both the monitor and the wall outlet. If your MSI monitor uses an external power adapter, you can check that the adapter and its detachable cables are securely connected. If possible, test with a non-working compatible power cable, and MSI recommends using the original MSI supply power cable and adapter. Fix 3. Try a different power outlet. So unplug the monitor from the current outlet. Connect it directly to another known working outlet. Avoid using a fault extension board or power strip while testing. Turn the monitor on again and check the power up LED. The fix 4. Check the display cable. If the monitor turns on but shows a black screen, you can disconnect and reconnect the HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C or other signal cable. Make sure the cable is securely connected at both ends. Try another compatible cable if available. Then MSI specific recommends testing with another cable when possible. The fix 5. Select the correct input source. So open the monitor OSD menu and go to the input source. Now select the port currently being used such as HDMI or DisplayPort. Now selecting the wrong input can make the monitor appear to have no signal even though it is powered on. The fix 6. Test the monitor with another device. So connect the MSI monitor to another computer or compatible devices. If the monitor works, the original computer graphics card settings or cable may be causing the problem. If the monitor still does not power on, the issue is more likely related to the monitor or its power system. The fix 7. Reset the monitor. If the monitor powers on and you can access it menu, you can open the OSD menu, go to settings and reset, and now select yes to restore factory settings. Menu names can vary depending on the MSI monitor model. The fix 8. Contact MSI support. If the power LED remains off after checking the power button, cable adapter and different outlet, MSI recommends contacting its customer service center for the further assistance. Goodbye and thanks for watching.